So I'm in downtown Highland, Indiana. Look at that flag. For a hometown heroes party. And I guess there's a car show here. I had no idea this was happening, but I'm here, so let's go find these cars. We're gonna go find some cars. Right, Wayne?
Let's go see some cars.
Yeah, man, we like cars. Oh boy, this was the first car I looked at this show because it reminded me of a car from one of my favorite movies of all time, The Hollywood Knights from 1980. If you remember, Tony Danza took his beautiful 1957 Chevrolet and drag raced this car. That Chevy was a famous car built by popular hot rodding known as Project X. He raced the two Asian guys, and I believe he lost the race, but what a memorable scene from one of my favorite flicks, and this car surely reminds me of that real deal 66 Shelby Cobra from that movie. Well, looky here, I just scored one of these suckers. This one's pretty nice. Let's check it out. A 4-speed too, look at that. It's got the wood paneling in there. I'd say this is probably an old Mach 1. Like I said, I don't know much about these cars yet, even though I just bought one. But the standard Mustang interior didn't look like that one. There's a pretty nice 70 Chevelle over here. Looks like a SS 396 car. As soon as these people get out of the way, I'll start filming it. But man, I like it because it's just a darker green color. I don't think it's got any stripes on it. It's pretty sweet. Oh, look at that green interior. Wow. Green on green, 4-speed, 396 car. What a nice car. I love this car. It does have stripes. It's got white stripes on it. Man, is that cool. You don't see that color combo too often. So here's a first. I've never seen a grill on the side of a rat rod. That's pretty awesome. Man, I'd be cooking bratwurst all the time. I'm driving to work. Pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, that's what we call a rat rod, Wayne.
That is awesome.
This Camaro has red interior, man. That is a really cool color combo. Black with red guts like that. It's got an Alpine, just like I put in the old Trans Am.